the RSI mistake you need to avoid as a beginner. So let's take a look at this chart right here. The first thing we can notice about this chart is that we are in a clear uptrend. Why are we in an uptrend? Well, we are in an uptrend when the price is printing higher highs. So we have one high, higher high, higher high, and the price is also printing higher lows. So one low, higher low, higher low. Being able to identify trends is a huge part of technical analysis. And if you guys want to learn more about this, I actually have a full 1.5 hour long course about market structure. So if you have the time after watching this video, I highly recommend that you check that video out. I will make sure to leave a link to that course somewhere up in the corner in the eye of this video. But alright, so we know that the price is in an uptrend, but now I want you guys to take a look at the RSI here. As you can see, this is a very strong uptrend, by the way. So you can see that the RSI is actually overbought right here. It's overbought for a long time right here. And right here, the RSI is extremely overbought for a long period of time. And this right here is such an important principle that I want you guys to write it down. In strong trends, the RSI can remain overbought or oversold for a very long time. And this is a huge reason why you should not see overbought as sell signals and oversold as buy signals. So let's just say that you are a trader and the price is currently right here. You look down to the RSI and you see that the RSI is very overbought. So you see this as an opportunity to go short, or in other words, bet that the market will go down. But after this moment, the price continues to explode higher. And you can see that already on the next candle, the price reached a point all the way up here. So this would have led to a big loss. And we could also imagine that you are a trader and the market is currently on this candle right here. You look down to the RSI and you see that the RSI is extremely overbought. It's the highest point the RSI has been in this whole trend up to this point. The next candle here is red, so you get a little bit hopeful. You can also see here that the RSI indicator is starting to push down. However, the price keeps on grinding higher, and higher, and soon the uptrend continues in a violent fashion and you will once again lose money. So once again, guys, please don't see overbought and oversold as buy and sell signals. Alright, so now when you know how to not use the RSI indicator, it's time to learn how to use the RSI indicator. To do that, simply click or tap on the screen right here to watch my full RSI indicator trading course.